Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear search history on Safari browser. So guys, if you want to clear search history and data on Safari browser, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, here I will give you two ways which will help you to clear Safari data and history on your Safari browser in iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, first of all, you have to simply open your Safari browser, and from here you have to simply tap on this book icon, and once you are here you have to simply tap on this clock icon. Here you can see this, and if it is on this lens icon, you have to simply go to history icon from here. So guys, here you can see the clock icon. You can go to this book option as well to see your favorites, or tab group favorites from here. Since you want to clear history, you have to simply tap on this clock icon, and here you will see all of your history. So guys, here you can see this, you can easily see all of your history. And if you want to clear history, you have to simply tap on this three dots button. Simply tap on this, and after this you can see clear option. So guys, simply tap on clear, and here you will see you will get a prompt to clear history of your Safari browser from here. So guys, you can select the clear time frame as well. From here you can select last hour, today, or all history. So guys, here I am tapping on all history, and after this tap on clear history, and the history will be cleared. So guys, this is the first way, and the second way is that open settings, scroll it below, go to apps, and then go to Safari browser, and from here scroll it below, and here you will see clear history and website data option as well. So guys, simply tap on this and tap on clear history, and clear history of your Safari browser from here. So guys, these are the two ways which will help you to clear history and website data of your Safari browser in iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.